Hello. We're doing tummy time today. Look at me go. You can do it. You can do it. Sweet girl. Oh my gosh, look! You're doing it! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! This is the first time! You can't breathe like that. There we go. Good job! Good job! That was hard work, huh? What do you think? That took a lot of energy, huh? Aw, is that a smile for Daddy? Is that a smile for Daddy? Oh. Look at my legs go! Look at my legs go! I'm gonna be crawling in no time. Just kidding. Oh, you had enough? Okay, that's it. We'll see you next time. Bye.